Hello everyone, myself Shivam Gore and today daily task topic is overview of pharmacovigilance. Firstly, to discuss the definition of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is the science and activity which deals with the study of detection, assessment, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug related problems is called as the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is divided into two types. First, pharmacon is the drug, and covigilance is the to keep the watch. Now to discuss the now to next to discuss the aim of pharmacovigilance. Aim of pharmacovigilance is improve the drug safety, risk benefit, and communication and health benefits are the aims of pharmacovigilance. Now to discuss the objective of pharmacovigilance. To pharmacovigilance is the reduction of frequency and severity of adverse effect of drug. And now to discuss the why pharmacovigilance is important. The humanitarian concern, safe use of medicine, ADRs are expensive, ethical concern. They are the why pharmacovigilance is important. Now to discuss the application of PV. PV is applicable for the drug, biological products, vaccines, cosmetic, medical devices. Medical devices, for example, X-ray machine, glucometer. They are the example of medical devices. Now to discuss the minimum valid criteria of reporting. There are the four steps is involved in the minimum valid criteria. The first is the reporting an identifiable patient, that include the information of name of patient, age, sex, and overall information of patient. And next one is the suspect drug of medicinal product. The suspect drug of medicinal product, that includes the drug information, the strength of drug, frequency, dose, and overall information of drug or medicine are include. Third one is identifiable the reporting source, means the reporters information are include. They are include in the name, address of reporter, mobile number, and this. And fourth one is the at least one adverse effect. Difference between the adverse effect and adverse drug reaction. The the adverse drug reaction is the with or responsible for the drug, and adverse event is with or without causality. And they are included in the severe criteria. They are included in the three criteria: mild, moderate, and severe. The mild is easily tolerated, and the second is the moderate. Moderate is the sufficient discompatibility, and third one is the serious. They are the hospitalization. They are included in the ICSR processing to start the collection of the information. Next one is to next one is the data entry. Next one is the medical review, quality review, and finally the software I use in ICSR processing is Argus. Argus is the long form is the long form of Argus is the analytical report gathering update system, and they are used in the database in ICSR processing. And now they are thanks for watching my video. Thank you.